This literature kit on Paper Bag Princess by Robert N. Munsch engages students in the novel by discussing the reactions of its characters. 55 pages chocked full of a variety of scaffolding strategies. Start off each act or study with before, during, and after you read discussion questions designed to prepare your students for the language and comprehension activities that follow, with rubrics, teacher guide, vocabulary, and author study. Dive right in with a selection of phonics-based activities. Identify the vowel sounds from vocabulary words found in the story. Move on to the word study section. Correct a set of sentences with their missing capital letters. Test student comprehension of the story with a variety of activities. Identify statements from the book as true or false. Complete a reading response mini-book with writing and drawing activities. Students put themselves in Elizabeth's shoes and decide what they would have done to outwit the dragon. 6 additional writing tasks follow. Supplement an existing unit with in-depth writing tasks, such as thinking of 5 questions to ask Princess Elizabeth and Prince Ronald about their ordeal with the dragon. A crossword and word search puzzle follow. Then, a series of vocabulary flashcards. A comprehension quiz ends the unit. The easy marking answer key works by lining up perfectly with the matching question pages. 3 color posters, which are graphic organizers, completes the resource. Come up with things to change about the story, things not to change, and things to add with the Story Makeover graphic organizer. Visit our website to see more novel study guides just like it.